Many people will shy away from the internet and trying to make money on the internet because of their fear of failure. And one of the reasons they fear failure is because they don't think they have the skills required. They don't think they have the know-how. They don't think they have the time. And so they just never try to make any money online. And one of the best ways to make money online is actually by creating courses and selling these courses. And this is why you'll see most influencers or most YouTubers or just about anyone that is popular or who has some sort of following in an online community, they will have courses because that is where a lot of the money is. Now, if you think about creating a course, you're probably thinking to yourself that, you know what, you have to go out there and you have to learn some new skill, and then you need to be very good at this new skill, and then you need to prove that you're good at it before you could actually create the course, and that's going to take you years, probably even decades. But in this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you can monetize the skills that you already have, and you can actually start making money from creating your own courses today. And one of the best things about this is that you don't have to do any marketing yourself. I mean, yes, you have to help people to find out or learn about your products or your courses, but for the most part, you don't have to really market this a lot, especially if you're just starting out. Now, first of all, I want to tackle the thought that you have where you're thinking to yourself that I don't have any skills to create any courses. And if that's what you're saying to yourself, well, think about this, right? If you want to get into fitness and you want to become a personal trainer, there are hundreds or thousands of courses out there for you to take. If you want to learn how to cook, how to do meal prep, like basic meal prep, there are thousands or hundreds of thousands of courses out there for you to learn how to do that stuff, right? If you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to make money from YouTube, then there are also hundreds of thousands of courses that you could take to learn how to do this. If you want to learn how to do handyman stuff, if you want to learn how to like put furniture together, change your light bulb, you know, basic stuff like that, there are courses that will teach you. And so the point here is that for every single thing that you can think about, there is a course for it. So this means that whatever skills you have right now, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You can create a course based off that skill because you're already an expert in that niche. So if you flip things on eBay, for example, if you sell on Facebook Marketplace, then guess what? You can create a course on that because you're already an expert in that niche. If you're an accountant, then you can create an accounting course, right? If you do mobile detailing for a living, then you can create a course around that business because that is what you're an expert in and that is what you know a lot about. So the point is that just about anything, it doesn't matter whatever niche or whatever business or whatever field you're working in right now, you can create a course around it and you can monetize that knowledge that you already have, and you don't need to learn any new skills. You don't need to pay for any expensive courses yourself, and you can actually sell your course for a really fair price, and people will buy it because they want to learn this stuff, and you can actually make a lot of money in the process. So let's now talk about this website that can help you to make your courses and how you should go about using this website, how you should price your courses, and just about everything that you need to know so you can actually start making some money. And before we get into all the details of that, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new to the channel or you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about business ideas, side gigs. I talk about just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. And also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can find me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump right into it. So the website that you want to use is Udemy, and this is udemy.com. And the good thing about Udemy is that you can simply sign up and you can upload your course, and Udemy will make your course available or put your course into or in front of millions of people because they'll already get a lot of traffic. So this already solves one important problem, and this is that if you go out there and you create your course and you create your own website, then you're going to have to generate or drive traffic to your website, and that's going to be hard for you to do. So Udemy already gets millions of visitors, and so your course on Udemy has a much higher chance of selling because people are already there and looking for these courses. So for example, you can go to the marketing category of Udemy. We can look at some of the courses here. And so for example, you can see that there is a YouTube masterclass here, and this is selling for $149.99. And this has almost 10,000 reviews, meaning that over 10,000 people have already bought this course and reviewed it. Now, if you do the math here, this is a lot of money, and this person created this course once, they uploaded it to Udemy, and then guess what? They're not really doing anything afterwards. People are just coming here and purchasing the course, and if people want to learn about YouTube and how to make money on YouTube, then guess what? They're going to go on Udemy and they're going to search for a YouTube course because they want to learn this stuff, and then this course would be in the search results, and if they purchase this course, then that person is going to potentially make a lot of money. So for example, $149 multiplied by 10,000, that's almost 1.5 million from selling an online course without your own website. Now, I'm not going to deceive you guys and make you think that, you know what, you can just go on Udemy, you can just create any course and you'll be able to make $1.5 million. That's definitely not how it works. You can get traffic from Udemy to kickstart your course sales, but you also need to promote your courses elsewhere. So, for example, you can do this on like social media with ads or somewhere else, but the point is that they already have visitors, so it's a good platform to put your course on. And by the way, that course that was for almost $150, there are courses on Udemy that are way less expensive, much more affordable courses that everyday people will be able to afford, and these courses do really well selling here. So for example, this course is selling for only $19.99. So if the average person wants to get into social media management, they should be able to easily afford this course, and guess what? This course has over 3,000 reviews. So this means that this course has done over 3,000 sales. And remember, not everyone wants to review things when they purchase them. So we don't know the true number of sales, but we know that it's at least over 3,200. And again, if you do the math here, based on the 3,200 reviews and a price of $19.99, this means that this person would have made roughly $65,000 from this course. And again, you create the course, you upload it to Udemy, and guess what? The course starts selling, you start making money, and you could be making money while you're sleeping. Literally. So you could create your own course. It doesn't have to be a 10-hour long course. It could be a 1-hour lecture or a 1-hour tutorial, or probably even 2 hours, just a couple modules, and you can list your course for even $9.99. And if it's a really good course, once you get the first few sales and people like it and then they leave good reviews, then guess what? More people are going to buy your course because it has really good reviews and it's also at a low cost. And because you have so many people coming to Udemy every single day, you're going to have the potential to have hundreds of thousands of people come across your course, and that's going to be potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars that you could be earning. So you can definitely make a lot of money here without you having your own website, without doing too much marketing yourself. I mean, you can simply use like social media to put your courses out there, and this way you can actually make passive income from Udemy. And again, you don't have to go out there and you don't have to pay for any expensive courses yourself to learn anything, because you're going to be using knowledge that you already have or skills that you already have right now. So whatever you currently use to make money, whether you work a 9-to-5 job or you have a business, whatever it is that you're doing, you're going to put that into a course, and you're going to use Udemy as a platform, and this way you can actually start making some money right now. Now, previously, I made mention of like doing courses like handyman stuff, and actually found this course in the search results on Udemy. How to install carpet tile and vinyl planking. Learn how you can save money and have fun doing your own carpentry work yourself. So for example, this person here is teaching you how to do something that you would have to pay a handyman or a professional, and this course is only $19.99. So imagine someone wants to install vinyl planking in a house or office or somewhere, right? It's gonna cost them, let's say $5,000 to have a professional do it, or they can hire a handyman, right? They can pay $19.99 and watch a 1-hour video or 5 lectures to learn how to do this. And see here it says beginner, meaning that this is for beginner level people. So just about anyone can do this. So a lot of people are definitely going to want to purchase this course because, one, it provides good value, it's going to save them money, and secondly, it's really cheap. It's only $19.99. Now, this course is relatively new, so it only has 27 reviews so far. But again, usually most people don't leave reviews, so I'm sure this course has way more than 27 purchases. And this person is making passive income now from just some skill that they already have. They just created a course on something that they knew how to do really well. And the thing here is you can create multiple courses. So if you know how to do like a lot of different things, then you can create a lot of different courses. So you can list them on Udemy and you can potentially make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this. So I want you guys to comment below. Let me know if you've ever tried using Udemy or any similar platforms to make money online, if you have any courses yourself, and if you'd consider putting them on Udemy, because I think this is one of the easiest ways that you could kickstart your online business this year. It's really easy because there's no barrier to entry, anyone can do it, and there's the potential to make a lot of money here. Now, if you're worrying or you're thinking about how you can further market your course once you get it on Udemy, consider watching some of my other videos like my affiliate marketing videos, where I break down how you can get targeted traffic to funnel to affiliates or into your own products, and you can get this traffic for free, and that will definitely help you to get more people to your courses and also get you more sales, and this way you can make a lot more money. Again, a really easy way to make money. You don't have to learn any skills, you don't have to pay for anything up front. You simply just use whatever skills or whatever knowledge you have right now, you put that into a course, you list it here, you get sales, and you make money. I hope you guys found some value in this content, and if that's the case, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post more videos just like this one. And with that said, all the best with making money online, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.